I'll show you Ordinary World, number 9 horse. And I'm at the World Cup Series. He's the front runner right there. He's by Devil's Advocate and Sternberg. And he's just now reaching his full peak. He's been really nice. His stats are unbelievable. I didn't even realize how good his stats were until I looked at him just a while ago. I took a break from 2001 for a little bit. I'll continue it back tomorrow. And I'm going to try to play 2003 tomorrow and show you guys some of my horses on 2003 tomorrow too. I'm a little rusty on 2003 though because I haven't played in forever. When you take a break from these games, it takes a little bit getting back into them. He destroys this field. And there you go. Thank you for watching.